Hi guys, well, what you're staring at here is my Eberlestock V69 Destroyer Backpack, and well, it's pretty new. I've used it like once or twice, and never for really extremely hard work or stuff like that, but I've already had a problem, and by experience I know when something is gonna break in the worst moment and will be pretty hard to repair. So here, excuse me for the focus. Here, as you can see, this is the spot that broke. I'm gonna try to excuse me, I don't have my fluid head here. So see, this is exactly where if you add just once too much tension, it will rip all the fabric, and this got just pulled off actually, and as you see, there's not a lot to hold it back in place, and it's really hard to put it or put one back in place here. So what I want to do, I've got here some piece of scrap leather I'm gonna use for that repair. I'm gonna record the repair. I'm just gonna explain you pretty much what I'm gonna do. So here I'm gonna cut that piece so that it overlaps the flap here, and put it so that it's stitched over and under the cord, so just pretty much wrapped like so around the flap. And I'm gonna put a hole in here and a rivet and just stitch through the fabric on both sides so that I will have something that can hold two pieces together without any risk of ripping it. Or I could wait like 4 weeks to have one repaired, but well, it will be some custom, so let's see how it works. So here it is. First I wanted to make a second row of stitches on top, but I think it will be well enough. It's going back and forth here. And as you can see, there is absolutely no risks of the eyelet, like the first one, going out. And the ripstop will not be torn just because, well, the lacing cannot go, you know, spread, be wider than the hole behind, so this should be sufficient. But if I have any problem, I can always add the stitches on top. So here you can see the result. Sorry, just gonna, I'm not on my stable tripod in here. So double stitches. I could still add the one on top, but now I have something that will hold, and I think this will be pretty much bulletproof. Yeah. So guys, excuse me. Thanks for watching, and so I'm checking my display to see the focus here. So okay, so guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask. Here the reason why I've made that change myself is because, well, I need that pack pretty soon, and I couldn't afford to send it back and forth to the shop, and the guys from the shop told me to repair it myself, so I did this. It will hold. I'm not worried about that. No problem with waterproofness, because it's on an outer flap, so it doesn't puncture the waterproof strap. Plus the real waterproof qualities are on that backpack are coming from the rainproof qualities are coming from the rain cover, so I'm not worried about that. Now I've used some this is cow leather, this is some piece of scrap cow leather that I'm using for other projects, so I did take that. It was 1.5 inches by 2 inches, and what else? I did use an awl and some waxed linen thread for attaching everything, which is pretty strong, so I think it will be really durable. Now I won't have to send the backpack to repairs, but I will send that video to Eberlestock, because I really think this is a weak point that has to be repaired. The backpack is really great. It's overall really tough, an excellent, really comfy, excellent backpack, but just have to check that one, because I know how it works. You would tighten it once, twice, and the third time you will have it all torn apart on that tightening cord. So, well, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be glad to answer, and thanks for watching. See you. Cheers.